Risks associated with international trade. Like any other business, international trade has also its fair share of challenges. In fact, due to the sheer size of the market, these are often magnified beyond expectation. Consider the most outstanding ones. Buyer risks. As a new international trader, you might have to search long and hard for your first buyer. The result of such a hard search is that at times quotation is thrown to the wind and judgment impaired. Desperation might creep in and make you forget to exercise diligence in verifying new clients. If you happen to engage a crook, you might suffer shock when after making a delivery you receive no payment and leave no trace of their existence online. Seller risks. Seller risks have also magnified under the scope and the volume of trade as well as distances involved. A manufacturer might fail to supply the right quantity of goods or might delay in making the delivery due to a variety of reasons. They might also fail to supply desired quality of products and compromise your business reputation. Third-party risks. The import-export business is highly dependent on factors that are beyond your control. For instance, you might get a bill of exchange endorsed or a bank guarantee for payment of goods, but when the time comes, they might fail to honor the agreement for one reason or another. You might have taken insurance cover over your goods in transit, but in the event of loss, it turns out that the amount you took out does not fully cover your expenses, leading to loss. Other third parties like inspection companies, shippers, custom agents, and others might also fail in their loss and cause you to lose inadvertently. Geographical risks. A country's location may also severely impact your international trade deal. Country risks could take the form of political upheavals, economic downturns, and conflicts. Africa's international trade has many times presented this challenge to traders due to instability in some countries in any one or all three of the above sectors. At times, also government policies change before the completion of a trade deal and complicate matters. Countries with financial volatility are also subject to frequent currency fluctuations that could turn a profitable transaction into a complete loss. Congratulations! You have officially learned the basics of international trade and business for beginners. Now start booming and make the world your business. Also, if you would like to learn more about international trade, you can watch videos here on my YouTube channel. Now I would like to hear your thoughts. I want to make sure you get this and prove it to me. I want you to do a couple of things for me. 1. Hook me up with a thumbs up, and number 2, comment below with an I get it. I just want to make sure you understand these basic subjects of international trade and business because they are underlying foundation behind all the scenes of import-export works. So comment below with an I get it, use the hashtag Team Murat if you are a part of Team Murat, and subscribe to my channel here. So go out there and make some trade, be confident and realize that you can export and import at the same time. Yes, make sure you catch some of the other videos over here. We got some good stuff coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Thanks again, click over here to keep going. Bye.